Hey guys, Steve here at Aquaponics. Thought you might like to see some wicking beds I got here. One of the places I've been helping out and staying at here for a bit. We got some little, I'll show you the aquaponic system here in a second, but some really nice tomatillos. A bunch of different kinds. Another tomatillo, a bunch of little peppers mixed in there on the front end. So they're just starting to flower. We got a little fountain here for the hummingbirds. Got some hummingbird feeders. In fact, they were just there a minute ago. Hopefully we'll get lucky. Alrighty. We got some tomatoes here. Another little wicking bed we made. This is just a little wood box that we threw a liner in. The liner is almost all the way to the surface and a little bit of soil above it. Just to save on water, especially in the heat. California. Got a little one with nothing but different kinds of basil. Got the little tiny window box basil in there, and then some Genovese, and some Thai basil. And we got another pepper. We got a bunch of stevia in here, some tomatoes, a couple of other plants. And then a little fish tank down here. We got a little thing flipped over, but we have just a little grow bed we had laying around, turned into a fish tank. So, and here we just have a couple of fish, a couple of separated fish in quarantine for now. So, anyways, thanks a lot. Oh yeah, if you are adding fish to an existing system, make sure that you do quarantine them beforehand. You don't want to add any disease to your system, so that's why they're separated. But it's so warm here, you don't really have to worry about heater, at least this time of year. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Just another idea for you guys if you're thinking about something to do out there. Just one more way to do it. Alrighty, take care. Oh, here you go. As you can see, the bees here love to drink from the fountain as well, helping us pollinate and giving us these wonderful tomatoes and peppers and cucumbers and all kinds of other things. Here you can see his little tongue. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.